Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make the curved text in Canva. First of all, I'm gonna type my text here. Change the color, size, font, each and everything according to your design requirement. Now go to effects. I'm gonna apply outline effect here. Adjust the thickness according to your design. Now scroll a little bit and here click on curve. From here you can make your text curve. Adjust it according to your requirement. I am making the more changes like letter spacing, making it more. This is how you can easily make the curved text in Canva. If you want to adjust it again, you can go again back to that effects and from here you can make it more curved and change its position like this. So this is a very simple and easiest way to make your text curved in Canva. Now if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.